Today we're going to take a closer look at Holley's development truck, a 1999 Dodge Dakota. Let's find out what makes it special. Yep, you can't even tell, but underneath the hood sits a Scat Pack 392 cubic inch Hemi, which packs a solid 485 horsepower. The engine fitment looks factory installed. What a sleeper. A Terminator X Max manages the engine, including the VVT and SRV controls, while a Built Hughes 46RE transmission also takes cues from the Terminator X Max. A huge Holley Pro Dash keeps the driver informed. Aside from the custom badging, you'd never assume what lurks under the hood. Holley has taken the guesswork out of installing a Hemi in your Dakota. First, start off by choosing engine and transmission mounts. Our engine mounts are designed to eliminate firewall and brake booster clearance issues while maintaining proper weight distribution. Our transmission cross members are modular, meaning that they will work with all the popular transmissions just by using the right transmission adapter and the recommended mount. Step 2 is choosing an exhaust system. Our tri-Y headers are designed to work with Hooker Blackhart engine and transmission mounts, giving you maximum clearance and allow left and right-hand starter installations. Our 304 stainless steel headers not only add additional power, but will last a lifetime. Step 3 is choosing an accessory drive. To clear the frame on our Dakota, we've relocated the alternator with our factory style bracket and pulley, which positions the alternator as low and inboard as possible. It fits our one-wire style alternators. If you're using the stock OEM alternator, use this relocation bracket, which works on VVT and non-VVT accessory drives. Step 4 is choosing a flex plate. You'll only need one if you're using an older transmission. Our dish-designed flex plate allows these older transmissions to mate with Gen 3 Hemi engines. Step 5 is choosing your fuel system. Upgrade your stock fuel pump to handle the increased power of your Gen 3 Hemi. Or choose from a 255 or 450 liter per hour drop-in fuel pump module. We even have a return style or returnless options and fuel rail kits available. Take control of your Gen 3 Hemi with our Terminator X and Terminator X Max EFI systems. Plug and play right out of the box, or take control of your VVT and SRV with Holley EFI software. Terminator X Max also takes control of your 46RE transmission, so you know you're set with a complete turnkey system. The proven performance from Holley EFI systems means less time in the garage and more time in the driver's seat. With our Pro Dash lineup, you'll have all the vitals at a glance on your Dakota. And it doesn't stop there. There's also universal air intake systems, intakes, valve covers, and custom Gen 3 parts. You can be sure to find what you're looking for. From mild to wild, our entire portfolio of brands has the parts you need for your Mopar. Holley has everything you need to get your project going from start to finish. So head on over to Holley.com and start planning your Hemi swap.